I just wanted to come on here. I received this beautiful card, Merry Christmas, it says, with the Santa Claus and presents, from Lala from Lilleybugglane here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Lala, for your card. It says here, may the magic of Christmas fill your heart with good cheer. And she also put a little note in there as well. So thank you so much. I hope you and your family, Lala, had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have an amazing Happy New Year. And thank you again. Thank you so much. And this is such a lovely card. It'll be going on the mantle. I still have my cards up on the mantle there. And that's the back of it. So thank you very much. And I hope you have a wonderful year, Lala. Thank you. Hi, and welcome to MrsCottonCandy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today, I'm going to be doing this recipe that you see in front of me. It's called a cheese/bacon dip. I don't think this is probably not anything new, and it's certainly not, like, I didn't come up with this recipe. My hubby got it from a lady from work. He had it there at work, and he really enjoyed the dip, so he thought, he asked me if I would try making it for him, so I said sure, because it looks fairly easy. You need 1 cup of broken, well-cooked bacon, a half a cup of sour cream, 1 package of cream cheese softened, 2 cups of shredded old cheese, and then you just mix well, spoon into a hollowed out pumpernickel bread, wrap loaf in foil, and bake at 325 for 45 minutes. Use broken pieces of bread to dip. Well, I'm not going to do the pumpernickel. My husband doesn't like pumpernickel. I have a baguette that I'll be using. And I'm just going to put the dip in like a casserole dish and put it in the oven instead of putting it in the pumpernickel, and then we'll just dip the bread into it. So right now I'm cooking up my bacon for it. I've got my cream cheese out, and I've also grated my cheese. So I'm slowly getting it going to put together. And this is the baguette that I'm going to be using. It's a white bakery baguette. So here's my cooked and chopped bacon, and I've got a half a cup of sour cream in there, package of cream cheese, and old cheddar cheese grated. Now I'm going to mix all this together, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like mixed together. This is the cheese/bacon dip. Let me know down below if you've ever had this dip before or something like it. I'd love to hear. And let me know if you like it or not. So this is all mixed well together. Now the instructions say to put this in the pumpernickel bread, like spoon into hollowed pumpernickel bread, wrap loaf in foil, and then bake at 325 for 45 minutes. Use broken pieces of bread to dip. Well, I'm going to put this actually in the fridge because I will put it in the oven a little bit later, and I'll be back to share what it looks like. Here's the cheese/bacon dip after coming out of the oven, and then I have some tortilla chips and the baguettes there that we can dip into this dip. Let's see, hon, if you like it and if it's like the lady made you at work.
Oh, it's hot.
Is it?
Oh, that's good. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo! You can smell the bacon.
Mm-hmm.
Yum. I gotta try it.